thought you only flew in your backyard.
I only fly. Tampa's my backyard.
Tampa's your backyard.
Tampa's my backyard.
And what a backyard it is.
It's a huge backyard.
What's going on, everybody? It's been a while since I've done a flight vlog, and I'm just really over doing product tutorials and videos about reviews. So I wanted to fly, and I ended up asking Bill if he was doing anything today, because you guys know him and I live pretty close to each other. So we ended up coming out here just north of the Skyway Bridge, and we're doing some flying. It's really nice, super low tide today, a little bit windy. It's an overcast, sort of gloomy day. We got really lucky because I thought the rain was gonna keep us from flying, but I don't think that's the case. So Bill's over here bringing his drone back. It's a little bit of a distance to the Skyway, if you can see. And then we're over here. And I'm just getting ready to take off. I'm gonna try to go over towards Fort DeSoto now, I think. I think that's gonna be the move, since we've already flew the bridge, and it is really windy, and there's some rain clouds over that way, but it looks pretty clear over towards Fort DeSoto. So let's give this a go.
Get to know what's underneath me, and these eclipses in my mind. Where do you go when you feel lonely? Waiting on the other side. Get to know the sounds and all the signs, 'cause you only know it's right. Get to know it when you're in the light, 'cause we only know.
Battery 4. And the first casualty of batteries. It's bulging. I don't know if you guys can see this, but battery 1 is dead. We got a bulging battery. I was wondering why batteries kept wanting to pop out. That's why. This is the craziest thing I've ever seen on a beach. This is a Goliath grouper, and somehow he must have washed up over here. I don't know how this happened, but yeah. Ugh, stinks terribly. Goliath grouper, wow. But this right here, this is the flats, and there should be water here, but there's not. That's how low the tide is. It really stinks, and that's probably why that fish got washed up there. That is a massive grouper. I believe it's a Goliath grouper, or they call them Jew fishes, but massive fish. I
saw something over by the bridge, so I'm just heading back over that way.
So here's what's really cool with the Mavic 2. Like, since the latest update, like, I was out by the Skyway Bridge, and I guess it sort of gauged, you know, how much battery I had on the drone to how far I actually was, and it told me I didn't have enough battery to make it back, so it just automatically went into an RTH, which I thought that was pretty cool. That's a good safeguard for somebody who doesn't know. I am really bummed though. I'm down now to 2 batteries for my Mavic. I got to get another battery, and I guess this is a good subject: is how many batteries should you buy for your drone? I think 3 is the magic number, but that battery is just about a year old, and it's already dead. It's already swelling. So a lot of it's going to really depend on how well you maintain your batteries. It's really hot in Florida. I never leave my batteries in the car. I'm always forever bringing my drone inside with me if I'm at work or something, just because I don't want the batteries to overheat or have that swelling issue. And you can see that that battery is already destroyed, which sort of sucks. So I think I'm going to pick up probably 2 more batteries, because I'm doing like mapping now and a lot of real estate, so having more batteries, and definitely with 2 Mavics, it just makes more sense. But sort of a bummer, because they're really expensive. $147 now down the drain. I wish there was a better warranty on batteries, but sadly there's not.
something was interfering. I don't know what was going on. So I just said, screw it. I'm just coming back.
You know what I found too is some of those larger boats, if they have like the GLONASS, like the GPS on top, the Loran systems. I flew over one of them, totally lost signal. Drone just started doing an RTH, and then finally when it got up away from that boat, it went back to normal.
It went back to normal. Yeah. See, I didn't want to. That's why I was getting some interference, and it was blocking it. And I'm like, we're not taking any chances, not at all.
Well, if you were gonna go into panic mode and curse, I've got a good mic on. You'd be like, sorry, I just got your video demonetized, Ken. What's that one?
What's that?
Oh, that's just a controller.
Yeah. I just I brought my backup controller just in case.
Thanks, Bill, for coming out, hanging out, man.
Hey, it was a pleasure.
Flying. Got really lucky. No rain. Light overcast. The humidity is horrendous, though, and the smell from that fish. But we're going to get out of here. I'm going to do what Valerie says I do. I'm going to smack the lens. Stay original.